Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Switch to Solar. Referrals are something that Indian solar industry thrives on. You talk to anybody, how are you generating business? The thing is, oh, I've installed so many and referrals. I get word of mouth referrals. However, referrals have a drawback. You never know how many you will get today and how many you may have 100 in the next month or actually 0 in the next month. So there is a system by which you can make sure that you generate referrals on a very regular basis. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how your every lead can lead to 5 times more referrals than you are getting right now, and actively generate more referrals in order to get more business without spending even one single rupee. Now, imagine you're talking to a homeowner about solar, explaining all the things about solar, how much savings it will give and how it can benefit them and things like that. And suddenly you realize that, hey, it is not going to work out. And at that time, when it is in the very sad state of everything, you talk to them about, hey, can you tell me somebody who else can work? Hell no, nobody's going to tell you anything about a relative or a person who is interested in solar, because it's not working for them and it's a sad state of affair at that time. However, look at a situation in a different manner. When you talk about solar and you're talking about what's good and everything is happening, at that time you start engaging the customer. Hey, Mr. Homeowner, now we've talked about solar, we talked about the savings and every bit of it. So what is it that you like about it? Now, as soon as you get the customer talking about it, they will say, hey, the smart home system that you're offering with solar, the new AMC that you have offered, the money savings that it will give me, about 18 to 22 lakhs savings that it will give me. These are the peak points of what customer has realized. So at that time, that is why I love this job, because it's about helping people. It's about showing them how they can, fulfill their dreams. And that is why I'm going to fight for it on a daily basis. So do you think you can, do you know anybody who would also benefit from something like this? Now, at this point, you're not telling them about selling solar to somebody else. You're telling them about, can you help me find somebody who I can help? And people on an innate basis are helpful. You find some douchebags around from left and right to some time, but at the very core, people want to help. Now, if they want to help, use that. When you use this, that is when you get more referrals. Now, of course, companies have referral programs. They talk about, hey, you know what? If you give me a referral, I'll give you 250 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. Okay. And that's not something you use directly. That is something you use indirectly, in the sense, after you've asked those people about who else can help, who else you can help, at that time you tell, Mr. Homeowner, anytime some of these people actually accept an offer to install solar, we'll send you a 2,000 rupee Amazon gift card or an Airtel gift card or, something like that. And then what happens next? They're actually going to give you more referrals, because here you're trying to help. You are not trying to ask them for, hey, help me make more money. That's kind of wrong. So they're going to ask their wife, their son, their friends, hey, do you know somebody who needs solar? How about our neighbor? How about your friend? How about somebody else? This is how referrals are generated. This is a regular stream of income for you. This is a regular stream of referrals that can be generated very easily. So go ahead and talk to people when they are at the peak of being convinced. Now, maybe you do not end up selling solar to this same person on that very day, but it would definitely be easy for you to sell solar when you come and try and close the next time. Or even if you have not closed it, because things happen, shit happens. So but still you got referrals, and these will be genuine referrals. You are not going to get referrals, sir kisi aur ka number de do na, please give me somebody else's number. It doesn't work that way. So I hope you like this, and if you want to learn more about this, jump on a strategy call with me. We like to do role plays, and we can help you out. The link is given in the description below. You can book a 15-minute call with me anytime on x.ai. The link is again given below, and I would love to help you get more out of sales for solar, and see how we can grow together. From my side, best of luck, enjoy yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.